It's social mile 6.
We are the night. Happy day. People walking, smiling, not a cloud in the sky. There's some random guy playing harmonica.
That's a guy.
Then suddenly, people see aliens. Everywhere, coming from the sky, they're covering everywhere. What's gonna happen?
What do you think?
Oh crap. The aliens shoot their razor beams at the people. Everyone dying and everyone is dying around. The innocent citizens leap to the ground. The aliens celebrate over their thing. Aliens walking down the street dancing. What's next? 7. Then the aliens decide to have a tea party. But one alien decides to shoot his fellow aliens.
Tea splattering everywhere. I'm getting wet.
As they were walking home, an alien was walking, and, well, he kind of tripped. He was walking and walking, and then he tripped. Then, as the end of it, everyone dances and does the wave, even the aliens. Come on, alien.